Okay, so I'm Josiah Thomas, giving a testimonial for MBE Financial in Linton Vadreen. So recently graduated college, came out with no credit whatsoever, never really got taught anything about it or that I needed it, but quickly realized that I did. The first place it really showed up was trying to get an apartment. Everywhere we went, just was like, what's your credit? What's your credit? If you don't have credit, you have to put down a double deposit or we can't let you in. So that made it really hard to get an apartment, making me quickly realize that, like, for so many other things I'm gonna need to do, or when I'm gonna need an apartment again, I'm gonna need credit. So not knowing really where to start, how to do anything about it, met Linton at MBE Financial, and he really let me know how credit works and what my options were to actually build credit. And since I was in a hurry to really get things going, he actually let me know about an authorized user service that they provide, where for me, it worked within 3 months. So I had zero credit whatsoever, and working with him and MBE, within 3 months my credit score went from non-existent to what you see right here, 787, which before I didn't even know like what that would mean, but now I know that like that's pretty much better than all my coworkers, all my friends, all my family. So that's huge. And now I need to buy a car, and just knowing that I have that to fall back on really lets me go into the whole thing with confidence. So thank you, Linton Vadreen and MBE Financial.